Good morning, guys. This video is going to be all about Somali food, so enjoy. Somali food, what is good about it and what is bad about it? Hey, let me tell you. So today is Friday, and Friday in the UAE is actually the first day of the weekend. So today my kids have had a little bit of a sleep in, half of them are awake, half of them are still asleep. But when they wake up, what we love on a Friday is Malawah. So today is Malawah day. So what we're going to do is I'm going to introduce you to Nadifa. She is my 2IC, my right-hand man, and in the kitchen, she's actually the boss. So she is going to teach us all how to make Malawah, and we will enjoy. Okay. Okay. So, before it gets crazy and everyone's woken up and I introduce you to Nadifa, what I want to do first is I just want to talk you through my Somali outfit. Okay, so this is a very traditional Somali house dress, and I have many different colours. They're all the same style, but many different styles and flavours. So usually a scarf would go on around, but for me, I don't know how you cook with a scarf on. I know Nadifa does that. But for me, I'm always scared it's going to be in the food, and often it is in the food, or it might catch on fire or something. So I've done something different here and shaken it up a bit. So, but lots of Somali girls, you know, they tie things around their head like that. So this is my Somali outfit for my Somali cooking day for our Malawah, and I just wanted to talk you through it. I have plenty of them, and in Dubai they are awesome because when it is 45 degrees, you can imagine a nice cotton dress like this is fantastic. So, love them. So, I would introduce Nadifa. You can see her hands to the side. She's decided today's not the day for YouTube videos. So, she will say hello, Nadifa.
Hi.
Hi. Okay. So, what? Samama next and Sabama next. Yeah. Okay. So, anyway, so we're going to have a look at what we've got here for our Malawah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, we're putting an egg here into our flour. So, okun into our bur. Okay. Next, we're going to be putting in some, sugar, but we don't like to have too much sugar. So we have coconut sugar here. So coconut sugar. Does Somali food have a lot of sugar in it usually, Nadifa?
Sugar.
Yeah, but is there usually... Okay, what do we have here? What are we putting in now? Yeah, no. But this is our ano and bio mixed.
Oh, yeah.
Yes?
Bio ano.
Is it hot?
Hot water.
Hot bio.
Yeah, bio kulun iyo ano.
Okay. So now we're going to mix it together. Yeah. So Nadifa, tell everyone where you're from.
Machine استعمالها. أنا وقيت كان استعمالها. ماشين كجروده على جيفه وقايلنا. مجالي إنا يريا.
Really? Okay. So what she said was,
no,
I have no idea. Hey, there you go. Okay, so we're doing some more hot bio.
Yeah.
And some more ano.
Yeah, because more ano.
More ano. Malik in the background. Yeah. Okay. Good job. Nadifa, how do you like Dubai? She doesn't like, okay. Because she misses home. You want to be at home.
First, I like it, and now I don't like it.
Don't like it?
لأنه ملوى حد عذيك مكدقايو بيبي مكدقايو مركزاس درتيدا عبارة قصة لأنه ماشين استعماله كدو ماشين استعمال لها ويفي عنا لها أنا القرور والد جيفا إنه قايلي إنه محيقين كعيا اسكدو لقات رير صوماليا
Okay.
محيك بعد ودوا
Okay, yeah.
ورد سوكعي عدكي هداسي كالإذنكو حاسم ميسين قرار
Yeah. I agree. Totally. 100%. 100%. Akun only ko? Ko. Labo.
No, only halhabo.
Halhabo.
Yeah, one akun. Hal.
Hal,
Yeah.
not ko? Oh, well, why am I getting confused? Why is there so many words? Okay, so is that good consistency? Yes? Yes? Okay, so we like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have our fry pan nice and hot.
Yeah.
I have other fry pans I like, but Nadifa says no, I don't like. So this one is what she wants. So we're gonna first one we'll pop it in. Should be nice and hot. Oh, nice and hot.
أنا أدوبني أنا ملوحة.
Yeah.
غير الصومال إذا كسر أدوبته.
Ha.
سيد عنجارد ما أدوبت.
What?
لحاح.
Wallah.
This Anjero.
Anjero.
Somaliland. Laha.
Loha.
Yeah,
Okay. But this not Anjero.
No Anjero.
No.
Malawah.
Is Malawah in Somaliland? Malawah in Somalia? Both?
I don't know.
Don't know? Okay. Oh, I'm sure someone on the comments will tell me. Okay. So oil. Okay, look at that. Looking good, huh? Look there.
marka walaashiina waaye
Okay.
Soomaalida inay barato jeceshahay
Okay.
idinkan ka dhiirigelinay Soomaalida barato
Oh, wallah.
kuminta qurux badan oo qalbigeeda u roon inaa soo qorteen iska dhaafa uqdada iyo waxaad iska daaya marka insha Allah soo dhaweeya walaashiina waaye
Wallah. Okay. Good job. So it's looking the goods. Delicious. There you go, one malawa.
yeah
Okay, and the process continues. Awesome, Nadifa. We shall, take it to the table and enjoy it. And I'll show you somebody else in the house that loves malawa. Bagale.
bakayle
Bagale, our Bagale, called Peter Rabbit, is actually Somali rabbit.
bakayle is bananka
He loves bananka
outside
outside.
yeah bananka
Bananka. Okay. So he loves malawa. Anyway, he hunts down Layla.
Malawah then hadden video leedan
Okay. Ha. Okay. So while Nadifa is cooking in the background. No, you hide, Nadifa. Okay, so our malawa is cooking in the background. Nadifa is hiding in the corner because she doesn't want to be on my video. But, so this video is going to be all about Somali food. Today I think it'll just be about malawa because otherwise it'll be way too long. So I think that we'll do malawa today and we shall do a whole lot of different other Somali food on another video. So malawa it is today. Okay, so, we have here our malawa and mala. Okay, so what we now need to complement our malawa is our ka'wa. And so we have our coffee, so it's our proper coffee, not our instant coffee, and we have our ginger. So, and obviously our hot beer. Go on, come here, Layla. Layla is waiting for her malawa. She's a bit grumpy today, but that's okay. Okay, you want to try some ginger? Yeah, you want to try? Is that good? No? Not so good. Okay. Maybe we'll leave it for the ka'wa. Okay. No ginger. So it's all mixed together. It's nicely brewing. Our ka'wa. I usually have sugar in my coffee, but this I don't need. I love a black coffee with the ginger. It's amazing. So the family is here. Caleb's got his Nutella. Akil, what do you like to have on your malawa? Nutella, okay. Mr. Assad, he likes to have malab. And I like to have the lim and the sugar. But I have coconut sugar, right? So it's a little bit healthier for you. Okay, so we have our sonko and our lim, which is what I like to have on my malawa. And this is the mullet. So I'm having a little bit of trouble with the whole word for sugar. But anyway, sonko. Let's try it. Tell me one more time. Tell me one more time. Sonko. Okay. Anyway, I'll get it eventually. Excellent. And Nutella. How do you say Nutella in Somali, huh? Nutella? I'm really good at that one. Okay. Enjoy, guys. Looks amazing. Look at that.
You've got a lemon and everything.
Yeah, I know. Deliberately. Just show. I love it. Lots of lemon.
They spell it like they don't use any like unnecessary letters.
Don't they? In the Arabic language. Okay, Jamal. So you just had your Malawah breakfast. What do you think? Was it good?
Yes.
Do you love Malawah?
Yes.
What do you have on your Malawah?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Oh, you love to have some Nutella, huh? Yeah? And Caleb,
Yeah.
is Malawah the best?
Yeah.
Is it the best?
After Angela.
After Anjera?
Yeah. And bread with chocolate.
Bread with chocolate too. Okay, but we're doing like a Somali flavour at the moment. So what's your favourite Somali food? Wobbling my
My
arm.
favorite one is sambusa.
Ah, yes. Sambusa. Nadifa, the next one, sambusa. Yeah. Okay. So we'll do a video on sambusa. And but Malawah seems to be high on the list of the favourites. Yeah? Okay. Awesome. Thanks for coming, guys.
My tongue is talking.
Yeah, I know it is. Listen, you've got chocolate on your face. So listen, Jamal.
What?
Do you want to say goodbye to everyone? Jamal, say wafiana hai? Masalama. Wafiana hai? Okay, masalama. Okay, we'll do that Arabic then. Cool. Excellent. Thanks for coming. Bye.
Bye. Say bye. 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 I said bye then.
Bye-bye.
Bye.